What's up guys, it's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just dropping another quick garage tutorial. Today we're going to talk about plyometric lunges, otherwise known as jumping lunges, okay? So this is great for the quads, great for the glutes. We're working both slow twitch and fast twitch muscle fibers, and just good for overall ankle stability and core engagement. So what we're going to do, we're pretty much going to start in this split squat stance or that reverse lunge. So if we're starting feet together, big step back, let that bottom knee come all the way down. We know we're in a good position. If our front knee is pretty much at 90 degrees, it's okay if it's slightly more acute than that. Make sure that we are feeling weight distributed throughout the entire front foot and that our front shin is relatively vertical. Same thing, close to a 90-degree bend in that back knee. Torso is leaning just slightly forward, okay? From here, we are going to drive predominantly through that front heel as we do a quick switch of the legs. So we end up in the exact same position, but opposite knee up, opposite knee down. So what that's gonna look like is we are going to explode from that front foot, switch the stance in the air, come back for a nice, light, controlled landing. So once again, from here, drive through that front heel, soft land. Drive through that front heel, quick leg switch, soft land, and repeat. Notice when I do this, I'm still trying to maintain that 90-degree flexion in that front knee, 90 degrees in the back, and when I power up, I'm not letting my front big toe disconnect from the ground, okay? So thumb and big toe, baby toe firmly connected, driving through that heel, quick switch, quick switch, quick switch. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.